Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have one of the exceptional cars right here. I'm telling you, they're all great. This is one of them that rises above. I drove it home. It was phenomenal. It did everything right that it was supposed to do. It's a body off the frame, gorgeous car, rally sport, number match, air conditioning, power windows, deluxe interior, power steering, power disc brakes. I got all good things to say about this car. Matter of fact, the day I drove it home, the next morning, I was so excited about the car, I couldn't wait to start writing the ad. That's the first thing I did. I sat at my desk, I started writing the description of this car. It's awesome. It comes with this nice little show board for when you're out at the cruise nights or car shows. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can look at about 100 pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they are for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, tops down in this Rally Sport. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, when I say it's exceptional, I really mean that. We got beautiful cars, and there's always them few cars that are just like, just right. Matter of fact, I drove it home. My son manages the shop. I bragged to him so much about the car, he had to drive it home himself, and he's the one that said, you know what, it did everything it was supposed to do. I drove it at night. All the lights work, interior lights work. It's cold out. The heater was on. All the windows and top was up. It's convertible without wind leaks. That's like unheard of. Steered straight. I mean, it did everything right. Fantastic car. Underneath the car is like new. The body was off the frame. It's just a subframe up front, but that was all removed. The whole front end is new. All the bushings, shocks, springs, control arms, all of it's new, and it's all detailed. It even has the assembly line tags and markings. The front end is new. The bottom of the motor, you look up at it, it's just spotless. It has the original Power Glide transmission in the car. It's clean. I think it's a 308 gear in the back, but that would be on our website for sure. New dual exhaust system, new rear suspension. You don't always see that, but even the rear springs, the bushings, the shocks, all new brakes, converted to disc in front, new brake lines, new brake hoses, emergency brake cables. It's a stainless steel fuel tank. The whole system's new, the tank, the straps, the lines, the sending unit, the fuel pump. Everything under the car is like new and rust-free. Good, clean metal. Nice, clean metal. The body is exceptional. Fit and finish. And this is red glass right here. Fits amazingly well. Absolutely straight. Not even a little ripple. If you're fussy, bring it on. You're going to like this one. And it's, of course, really a bright, bright red finish. All of the trim has been redone except the back bumper. For whatever reason, they put the original bumper on. I mean, it's fine. When you look close, there's little freckles on it, but everything else is new. New tail lights. It is the Rally Sport, so notice the reverse lights are down here. Non-Rally Sport, they would be up here. Has a new gas cap. Of course, it has spoiler. This is red glass right here. I don't even see a dimple or dust. This is beautiful. Convertible top is white. It's like brand new. It's a nice crisp white. And I said all the windows, they're power windows. They all work. They all go up by themselves, and they fit really well. Upgraded billet rally wheels. They're 17-inch rally wheels. They're cut from billet. It has the derby caps in the middle. Pirelli tires. A little bit taller tire in the back. Give it a little bit of a stance. All new window fuzzies, new door handles. The Rally Sport comes with this extra trim. That looks new. The vent window frames are real nice. The mirrors look new. Windshield looks new. This is new. The emblems. Has a stripe painted around the nose. You can barely even feel it. I'll demonstrate the headlights in a little bit. They zip right open and close. They got electric motors. Has a front spoiler. This all looks new right here. The interior, it is a deluxe interior. It's an Al knock interior that's higher grade. You can tell the material itself, the vinyl itself is thicker. It's not flimsy and loose. This is a nice thick material. It is the deluxe seats, deluxe door panels. That's the molded armrest. So that's all new carpets, got Camaro floor mats. Whole dash area is real nice. Deluxe steering wheel. Does have one crack at the bottom of the steering wheel. That's the only flaw I see in the whole interior. Dash lights work. The light at the back of the console works. It has all of its GM seat belts in excellent condition. All clean metal. The convertibles they call them shaker cans. They're counterbalance weights. They're still here. Has the rubber mat, has the tire cover, the well liner, sticker, weather strip looks new. This is painted slick. It has a speed minder. It's a little dial you can set and it'll buzz. You want to set it at 60, it'll start buzzing when you hit 60 miles an hour. The AM/FM radio is converted. It's got modern guts. You turn it on, and a little green light comes on. It's a stereo conversion. If I mentioned, it is a power top. That works fine. So the motor is a matching number 327 motor, completely stock. It was upgraded with an Edelbrock intake and a 4-barrel carb. The intake's painted orange, so it looks like it belongs there. They did dress it up with some finned valve covers. Everything in here to me looks new. There's a new sticker on the compressor, some new components here for the air. It's converted to 134 Freon. It has a Delco battery topper to look like the original battery. It's bolted down, has new battery cables. All the hoses, brackets, clamps, everything is fresh. The pulleys, the alternator. Has power steering, has an all-new power brake booster and master cylinder, has the hood insulation, the squirters are hooked up. It's all there. And I fired up for you. The seats are nice and firm. They got new cushion. Just a nice car. I'm telling you, I drive and see a lot of cars. This one's exceptional. It's got a nice sound. That's a 327 automatic. It's not a race car. Cruises along so nice though. It steers so nice. This is one of those cars on a straight road you can drive like this because it's not going to be wandering all over. New mirror. I'm going to show you the headlights, how nice they work in a second here. See how nice they open and close, or open I should say. We'll close them in a minute. Wiper motor looks new. All the metal finishes are painted real nice and neat. Windshield looks new. A little bit of a cam in there. It's a good running 327. It's got a nice sounding exhaust, so it's not a race car like I said, but it's got some muscle. Visit volocars.com. Here's an opportunity to get one of the great ones. This car will not disappoint you. Plenty of ways on there to get in touch with our salesmen. They can help answer any questions or concerns. I just gave you my honest impression of what I feel about the car, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. They will also help with the financing, the delivery, the paperwork. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.